So a couple days ago, I bought 2 things off of Amazon, and one of them showed up here. It's thin, so it's a DVD, and it's just open it. So let's do this. Fun with Thomas. 2 Thomas Adventures. Yeah, it's a grand total of 2 episodes. The only ones on here, The Runaway and Fish. And then apparently it came free with the Thomas Wooden Railway set. So now this big bag that has the mysterious DVD inside of it. So let's just open it. So there's that. See. 10 years of Thomas. So, got all of those friends. For some reason, this is backwards. 10 years. Cool. And for some reason, I never had this. I never had 10 years of Thomas before. I did like years ago, when we were like 6 or something. But I don't know what happened to it. Oh, hi. I didn't see there. So here is the last of the 3 of the not 2 of the 3 DVDs that I got off of Amazon the other day. What does that say? Thanks for your order. Trackside tunes. Here's the receipt. It's the DVD version of Thomas's Trackside Tunes. I don't know why they left out the Thomas. Fun fact, the VHS of this, the first edition, the purple one with Toby, that actually came out on our birthday, February 13th, 2001. Unboxing, more like unbagging. I also got something off of Amazon when Sean got all his DVDs. Ooh, is it a VHS or not? Let's see. Mission Impossible Season 2. I have the first season, and I liked it, and so I got the second season. Yeah, and this is like, these are much different than the Tom Cruise movies, because, like, these are just, like, regular missions, but in Tom Cruise movies, he's disavowed, the entire missions force is gone, the fate of the world rests in his hands, the IMF is gone, they can't use it, like in every movie, well, except for, like, the second one. So, Season 1, now Season 2. So here is all of the things that we got on Amazon for right side to side. I got Fun with Thomas because it's a sampler one with only 2 episodes, and I know you're thinking, oh, why would you spend money for one that's only 2 episodes? Because it's Thomas and it's exclusive. And then 10 Years of Thomas. For some reason, I just never had that. I don't know what happened to the one that we had before. And Trackside Tunes, son, because I don't have it. And Mission Impossible Season 2. This is the one that I got. So we have more unboxings. And I think this is like Christmas related. We didn't order off Amazon because we would have remembered. This is actual unboxing. This side. We always cut away from you kids. Yay, my first Christmas present. Star Wars Advent Calendar. And I also got something. Well, I didn't get it. My mom got it. So now let's open it. Let's just... Right. Look at this. Damn.
Oh no.
Oh no. It's cracking. So there's just this. What's on the very bottom? There's the Thomas logo. Dramatic reveal. And it's Thomas. It's a Minnie's Advent calendar. So it's like this. We could just use the train and play with it. And wow, 24 new minis. Yeah, it's not like I have enough already.